And here comes one of my favorites.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from South Korea, weighing in at 400 pounds, Flyboy Fisherman.
We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE about to take part in one of the most anticipated matches ever.
All right, I love this guy.
And his opponent, representing Harlem Heat from Area 51, weighing in at 260 pounds, the Captain X.
Hey, where's the horse? What are you talking about? The high horse this superstar always seems to be on. Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
그러다 자연스레 스며들어가고 너와 나는 서로의 일상이 되었지. 내가 내딛는 걸음에 힘을 가져주었던 내 앞에 있는 날들에 바라봐준 네가 있기에 그저 이 자리에 머무르던 나에게 새로운 길이 보이게 됐어. 언제나 함께했던 나의 지난 비워주고 싶어. 당신의 행복이 되고 싶은 나의 꿈길 속을 걸으며 오랫동안 원한 우산 지울 수 있게 어제 햇살 같은 안바꿔서만
Looking into the eyes of this competitor tonight, you know he understands the significance of this match. This is an opportunity to make big headway on the roster.
But he'll be facing someone who has been looking for a challenging fight for quite some time now. Hopefully, he'll get it.
Uh-oh, he could be looking for a submission here.
Escape and a takedown.
Oh, looking to torture their opponent. Uh-oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man. Comes crashing down.
Grabbing a hold of the arm. All the weight down. You can see the intent behind that. Uh-oh.
And a well-timed counter.
All these counters, it's like they're in each other's minds.
Getting to his feet, but he doesn't know what's waiting. He just flipped the script there. Oh, man.
Battle of counters. No one's getting their full offense in.
Absolutely spiked.
DDT.
Highly damage onto the torso.
He's in a bad way, but still has something left in the tank. Incoming.
Headed out to ringside now. What does he have planned?
Oh, weakening the leg here.
Oh, he saw it coming.
man, that was nasty.
They weren't that good looking anyway.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now.
He might actually get the win here.
Immediately powers out.
A little closer to getting the pinfall there, but this is still anybody's fight.
Continuing to work on the leg of his opponent. Ouch! Leg breaker.
Able to slip out of that one. Big clothesline.
Oh, look out! And does not.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
All's fair in love and war, gentlemen. I saw nothing but effective offense. And rapid fire Samoan drop. Sharp knee. Oh, straight forearm.
Just a barrage of offense coming his way with seemingly no answer to it.
Yeah, he is struggling to get back into the swing of things.
And quickly into the cover.
Might be in trouble. Kicks out. He still has life. Almost inhuman at this point. Getting back to his feet, but might want to reconsider.
It pulls off the reversal. Quick thinking. Uh-oh, look at this.
Layout gourd buster.
That's gotta be it here.
2. Wow, just barely making it out.
I can't believe this whole arena's in shock.
Yeah, but no one's more shocked than the man who thought he had a pinfall.
A new strategy is needed right about now if that couldn't end things. Kick right to the gut. Boom, what a kick. And he retaliates. And he slides him back to the mat.
Taking out the knee.
Ooh. Stomping down.
That scary look in his eyes, fixated on the opposition.
Got them off their feet here. Check their face after that one. Claw to the face.
Oh, a claw to the face? Come on.
No idea how he's even able to continue in this match.
At this point in the match, there's no time to recover. The damage is done. Uh-oh. What a takedown.
Fujiwara armbar. Fujiwara armbar applied. He goes for the pin.
Could this be it?
Digging deep for a kick out.
Now is not the time to wallow in disbelief. Pressure must be kept on.
Has their opponent down, getting to the ropes, and luckily getting out of this submission.
Eats a punch to the face.
Ooh, avoided the attack with a nasty chop block. Ooh.
Just hot shot it to the outside.
And he's going to the outside, which will start a count out. Whip back into the ring. Uses the edge of the knee. What are they doing here? He's going up.
From the top.
It's now his for the taking.
2 count. No, he beats the count.
I do not know how you survive that.
Staying alive there is unheard of.
And now the question runs in the mind, how am I going to be able to end this? Nothing like the old gallows pole.
He's just waiting for that perfect moment.
Open the leg. Oh! driver. What a move. This could be the end.
What a kick out. I don't believe it. Just an incredible wherewithal to get the shoulder up.
You would think he'd be out of it after taking that maneuver.
It is unreal that this match is still going on after a maneuver that would end most matches. These men are looking battered and bruised. You have to believe the end is near.
Bruised but not broken. This one is going as long as there's breath in their lungs. I am feeling a titanic shift roaring through this crowd right now.
Well, you're not the only one, Saxton. It's all coming to a head now.
Slowly getting back up, and he is not going to like what's next.
DDT! And the diving leg drop right on target.
Oh, and soon we could be seeing a submission here.
Volcano club. Trying to get out of the submission, and does.
Oh my gosh, one hand.
And his corner might be a bigger target now. What a way to get out of that one. Gets lifted into position. Can't prepare your face for that.
Puts the boot to the midsection.
Full impact. Trying to get vertical, but he has no idea he's in the line of fire. Uh-oh, forearm gonna cut off the limbs. Guillotine applied. Good work getting to the ropes. But ends the submission attempt.
This is just nasty.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
What do they have planned here? Uranagi!
He is stalking, waiting for his moment to attack. Uh-oh. Well-placed punch, ugly, but effective. What a tank. The ropes coming to the rescue here.
Going up to the top now.
From the top. One-time bomb. He created a huge opportunity here.
There's two. Oh, and he just kicked out. I thought for sure this thing was wrapped up.
Well, stay in your seat. Looks like we've got a ways to go yet.
All of that work, all these big moves, and it still didn't earn the fall.
This arena is roaring.
I think the desk is shaking.
From the top.
Oh, look at that splash!
Love it.
Two. Picking up the victory as his opponent does his best. Saxton stares up at the lights.
Here's your winner, the Captain, Sax.
A big win and the celebration has begun. This is a victory you can truly be proud of. A victory earned through sheer tenacity and force of will.